Happy Friday. It's Lea here from Murray Hyundai. Right behind me I have a 19 Kia Rio LX. So I'm going to mention a few things about her. 4-door hatchback. What's equipped is heated seats, heated steering wheel. One thing I want to mention is there's only 8,500 on this, on a 2019. And when you buy a Kia, there's standard 5-year warranty. So there's warranty left over on this, which is really hard to find in a used vehicle. One other thing I want to show you is backup camera and the deep cargo space. 60-40 split. You want to haul some plywood,